Okay guys, in this video I'll show you what is the best website slash app to make thumbnails on YouTube for free, like the most advanced thumbnails you'll see. So if you're watching this video, you probably don't have Adobe Photoshop because for a reason it costs something. But I'll show you the website you actually want to use. So this website it's not Photoshop. This website is free to use. It's quite easy for connecting. You don't gotta sign up or anything. And I'll show you what it's called. It's called Pixlr. All you gotta do is and just press here, photo editor online. So if you just want to I'll show you fast. So you just press start a fast one. Then you can just make thumbnails. For example, if you press here, you could open a photo and you can make it. So if I, for example, press here, it goes to my downloads, and if I have this, for example, right, that can do everything. Let me just cut it like this, cut it there. I can add a layer of text, to Mr. Beast or something like that. It's super good for that, and that was a short video, guys. So if you enjoyed the video, then please remember to like and subscribe so we can get those 50 subscribers. Thank you for watching.